Alright guys, welcome back. In this video I'm going to show you how I'm going to take this part on the boat that we originally cut out and get it remounted back into its place and put some new coring on the bottom and everything and get it looking good again. So I thought I was filming the whole time, but I wasn't. So I got the 5-to-1 mix of epoxy mixed up, and now I'm just wetting out these 1708 tabs to get it laid in the boat. They're all tabbed in, both sides, but what I'm gonna end up doing is cutting the top sections off and then making a template out of cardboard and tracing it out on Kusa and getting these glued in. So it'll be a lot easier to get them leveled and shaped later on. really liking the way these caps refitted back in. I got this taped up. What is this, Devon Cell or something board? So I got a piece cut out to start building back the wall here, the gunnel. So yeah, it's taped up here, and over here I started tabbing them in so you can see what I'm doing. Obviously this is just to hold the board in place. Once the board is held in place, we'll start building fiberglass up on top of it. So I'm gonna wrap up the video here. I'll show you, I got the center console glassed in, so that's nice and sturdy. Got the lean post mounted. Obviously this is temporary, we're gonna take it out. And then we got the two caps and the hatch done. The sides here are getting filled in as we speak. And then next video, I think I'm going to, actually I know I'll be cutting this cap completely out, pulling all this old nasty coring out and replacing it with Kusa. I originally wasn't going to do that, but I figured if I went this far with this build, I might as well finish it completely with Kusa. So wherever you drill or wherever, you know, it's just going to be composite material, nothing to rot.